Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. You saw by the title of this video what this video is about. Like, I meant what I said. My makeup routine runs circles around yours. Your makeup routine sucks and mine doesn't. Here's my everyday makeup routine so that you can copy it. That's a joke, very obviously. That is a joke. Like, please don't take that seriously. It's a joke. People are so sensitive on the internet nowadays. I'm people, I'm included. I'm a hypocrite. Anywho, yeah, that's all the intro that this needs. Let's get into it. Hi! So, let's just jump into it. I'm gonna show you how to be cute like me. All right, so for brows, I'm taking the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. I don't know how I forget the name of this because it's the exact same name as the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I smell a trademark award coming. Anywho, my brows have recently, I feel like my brows are ever evolving, and recently they've evolved like to another level again, which is a good thing because yikes. Like, when I first started doing makeup, I swore my brows were popping, and they just weren't, and nobody told me. People would like tell me they liked my brows. Like, y'all are going to hell for lying to me. My brows come out the best when I just follow my natural brow shape. And I've only been able to start doing that recently because I've started growing more eyebrow hair. I think it's because I use tea tree oil on my face. And so it's been like growing my, because I grow hair all over my face more, but on my eyebrows too. And I think it's because of the tea tree oils. So now that I am actually growing real brow hair, whereas I wasn't before, I can just follow my natural brow shape. And that's how my brows come out the best. Beauty gurus have been saying that literally since like 2010, but I don't listen. And I wanted to create new brow shapes. It's like, brows pretty much always look the best when you just follow what you have. Boom, look at that. That's a good brow, objectively. You can't say it isn't. Okay, they're not gonna look perfect yet. I haven't cleaned them. I don't have any other makeup on. Don't judge them too harshly, but like, they look good for now. One of the biggest reasons your everyday makeup routine sucks and mine doesn't is because I'm using the NYX Born to Glow foundation. That literally sounded sponsored. NYX, sponsor me. But the NYX Born to Glow foundation is $10 and has like changed my whole life. Not only is the foundation itself good finish, good coverage, good everything, but no product looks bad on top of this foundation. That is so important. It plays well with literally any product I put on top of it. This is like a very unrelated side note, but I've been listening to nothing but trap music for the last week, and I need to like quit my day job and go launder money somewhere. Comment down below your favorite ghetto trap music songs. Like, I need to know. I want to know. I gotta know. Some of my favorite trap artists at the moment are Zanman, NBA, the king of trap music. That sounds weird to say. NBA should be called the king of anything, but like, terrible person, great music. I don't make the rules, sorry. I talk so much that this video was like not even supposed to be really like a chit chat, get ready with me. This is supposed to just be my everyday makeup routine and like strictly makeup tips, and here I am talking about everything and nothing. Side note, I'm about to go to lunch with someone and they just texted me, okay, I'm on 95 now. I don't know directions. I don't know the names of highways. Like, that's always been crazy to me. Like, y'all be remembering that? I just be driving. Isn't that sad? I literally just put Google Maps on and turn right and turn left. He'll still be alive right now. You niggas ain't get from up. Get my shorties niggas a gun. I told those live. Sometimes this foundation looks so good that I'm like, I could stop here, but I'm not going to because I'm a cake face. I've got to have on like too much makeup at all times. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I have purposefully tried to replace this concealer. It is not going to happen. Not now, not ever. I have yet to find a concealer that can beat this concealer. It just won't happen. It won't happen, and I need to just stop and settle and accept the fact that I waste my money when I try other concealers because I'm gonna come back to this. ColourPop concealer is good. Instant Age Rewind concealer, good. Shape Tape, good. NARS Creamy Radiant, is that what it's called? Good. Like, all those concealers are good, but for me, The LA Girl Pro Conceal, the price differs depending on where you go, but it is never more than $5. The coverage, exquisite. The shade range, out of this world. Like the consistency, the finish, oh my God. I really don't acknowledge creasing in concealers, and that's only because of the way that my under eyes are. Like my concealers go, if I buy a $1,000 concealer, it's gonna crease. Like that's just how my under eyes are. So I've never cared about creasing. So I can't really speak on that, and I know that that bothers some people, but this concealer, yo, this concealer, I don't have words. I don't have words. Like, this is an undefeated combo for me, the NYX Born to Glow with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Anybody that may be my shade twin, in the NYX Born to Glow, I am a warm mahogany, and in the Pro Conceal, I am cool tan. Obviously, same concealer to clean my brows. I know that I need to clean, like do my brows. I know I need to pluck them, razor them, shave them, go get them waxed, pay a witch to put a spell on the hair. Like I know that something has to be done about my eyebrows, but I'm just not doing it, okay? Like, let's not attack me for this. I'm sorry. I know my brow hair is absolutely out of control. You know it's bad when you're just applying concealer on top of like unplucked, unwaxed brow hair. Like, girl, get a grip. I know I need to get a grip, and I'm sorry. Because the thing is, I pluck my own brows, so like I let them get bad before I do it because it's a process. It hurts, but it only looks good. And I'm not like a perfectionist or a precise person, but it only looks good if I pluck them and like I'm super precise. When I go just get them waxed, or if I try to razor them or whatever, it doesn't look as good. I have to be super precise. So I'm really lazy about it, and I let them get crazy before I get in there. I'm about to show y'all my holy girl product, probably of all time, and it's like $4. The e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo. These are so old. I wasn't able to find this in store for a super long time in the shade that I need. This is the shade Saint Lucia, and I don't use the blush, I only use the bronzer. This bronzer changes my face. It is deep. It doesn't look like it in the pan, right? It doesn't look deep enough for me. Oh, but it is. Not only is it deep enough for me, I have red undertones. I'm a very red person. So this has the red undertones that I need, and I can very quickly contour my nose, do a quick little contour on my cheekbones, and be done with it. It took me forever to find this. I found this like pushed way back on an e.l.f. display at a random CVS the other day, and I was so excited. I have a bunch of old blush and bronzer duos in this shade sitting in my makeup collection, but I pretty much have hit pan on all the bronzers, so I needed to replace it, and I couldn't find it in store, and I knew if I just held out hope a little bit longer. This product is old, like it probably will not restock, so if you want to buy it, maybe look online for it, see if it, I never looked online, but I don't really order makeup online is why. I'm not sure if it's sold online or like on the e.l.f. website or whatever, but it is so good. If you are my color or close, I know that it doesn't look like it would be a deep enough bronzer or whatever, but like take my word for it, it's great. It's so great. I have mentioned on the channel before, I don't even like to contour my face, but this bronzer, I mean my face is in like my cheeks, I always contour my nose. This bronzer makes it so easy. I can just like throw it on and like, look at this. Oh my God. Next, we have the e.l.f. blush palette, like the blush quad. I hit pan and it kind of broke, so like I need to get that replaced, but I'll get around to it when I'm ready. I mix these two, and I typically apply too much blush. Like that's my thing, that's my signature. If you watch my makeup videos, you know that I typically apply too much blush. The only time I have to tell myself like don't apply too much blush is if I'm wearing blue eyeshadow, because I like really pinky blush, and that like obviously won't mix super well with blue eyeshadow. I'll look like a clown, more so than I usually do.
How I'm a clown. How I'm a clown.
So many black girls, brown girls, girls of color stay away from blush, but blush was made for us. Like, wow. Astonishing. I know I look a little weird right now. it's because my lips are canceled. They don't exist, they're muted. And I don't have lashes on, but it's mostly the whole lip thing. I pretty much only highlight on my nose, like on the tip of my nose and down the bridge. And I'm taking the LA Girl Strobe Light in 50 watt. I usually don't highlight on my cheeks. If I do, it's very light, but I usually do not. I don't like to set my face super heavy. I don't like to use a lot of powder because I personally don't have to. I know that that will not fly for some people, but personally I don't have to use a lot of powder. So I'm just taking this much, like just the little residue in the cap. And I'm gonna set mostly my under eye area. And then just dust everything else. I don't even do that all the time, just like when I'm like, okay, let me make sure my makeup's not sliding all over the place today. I'm gonna put lashes on off camera, then I'll be back to do my lips, and then we'll be done. I know what you're thinking. My lashes are beautiful. I look like a different person. I look like Linda Evangelista. I'm a model. I could walk out there in a diaper and they would eat me up on the runway. I know.
Things like
you're perfect, you're beautiful, you look like Linda Evangelista, you're a model. Oh, you're smiling. They eat her up every single time she's on that damn stage. She doesn't even, she could walk out there in a diaper. And they're like, Valentina, your smile is beautiful.
I don't remember what style these lashes are, but I believe that I have the packaging in my beauty room. I will either have it on the screen or I'll put it in the description box. What was I saying? You ruined my train of thought. Okay, last thing, lips. I do the same lip combo regardless of how much or how little makeup I have on. Sometimes I'll just do this lip combo with brows if I have on a full face of makeup. If I have pink eyeshadow, purple eyeshadow, blue eyeshadow, red eyeshadow, doesn't matter. This lip is versatile. It goes with everything. And I'm a creature of habit. So like, if it works, if it looks good on me, I'm just going to wear it until it, like, the products don't exist anymore and I'm literally forced to do something else. This is the Kiss lip liner in Wine. And I just overline my lips to make it look like I can afford lip injections. Well, they're really not that expensive. Realistically, I could. And then my absolute holy grail of glosses is the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. This gloss slaps. So I don't look bad anymore. Well, I didn't look bad from the jump, but I look 20 times better now, which usually means the video's over. If I didn't name all the products, even if I did, I'll have them all in the description below, because lately y'all actually care what products I'm using. Like, usually y'all just listen to me talk or watch me do my face or like whatever, but lately y'all have like really been on my neck about what products I'm using, and I know that I suck at doing that. I'm so sorry. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.
She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty to fly though, that's all I